On today's episode of How Not to Waste Food. Ew, these bananas are just nasty. I'm gonna totally throw them out.
How dare you?
What?
How dare you?
What?
How dare you?
What?
How dare you?
Okay!
That's right, Dave Chappelle, Little John. You should never throw away black bananas. There's so much you can do with them.
What?
We really have to move on.
Okay!
There's a banana in your ear!
Sorry, I can't hear you. There's a banana in my ear.
Be sure to check out my playlist of ways to use up ripe bananas. Everything from the obvious banana bread, to freezing for smoothies, to breakfast oatmeal cookies, to a banana burger.
What?
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 Just check the playlist and please subscribe.
Okay!